Hi, hello, welcome to HashLearn. I am Vandana, your math faculty. Children, we are discussing the straight line. We already completed the topic, slopes. Today we are going to discuss the various forms of a straight line. Before starting to the class, let us discuss the CPP question where many of you people made mistake. Here goes the question. If the point 2, y divides the line segment joining the points in the ratio of lambda is to 1, means what? There is a line 4, 3 and 6, 3. Those are the points, right? 4, 3 and 6, 3. And 2, y point is dividing. How it is dividing 2, y in the ratio of lambda, 1. Now, I would like to find out the value of lambda as well as y. How to find out? We knew the formula. What is the formula, children? To find usually that coordinate points, the formula is mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus my1 by m plus n. Same way, if you apply to that, you will get this one. Equate abscissa is equal to abscissa, ordinate is equal to ordinate. If you apply, we will get this. Do the cross multiplication. I got the lambda value. Same lambda, you substitute in the ordinate, you will get the lambda value as 3. So, just wherever lambda is there, you write minus 1 by 2. You will get the answer. Okay, understood? Yes, children. Arshad Khan, good afternoon. Now, today our goals are, we are going to learn about the various forms of a straight line and we are going to do some problems on it. Okay, yes, let us start the class. The first one is, how many forms of a straight line? Yesterday what we learned? We learned how to find out the slope. In two ways you can find out the slope. Whenever we are giving the inclination while you are measuring with the positive x-axis, the slope m is equal to tan theta. This is the first point. Second point, what we learnt yesterday? Yesterday we learnt if they are giving 2 points like x1, y1, x2, y2, then how to find out the slope? M is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. These are the two forms. And what else we learnt? If 3 points are collinear, suppose A, B, C are collinear, then slope of AB must be equal to slope of BC. This what these 3 points yesterday we learned. Today let us learn the various forms of a straight line. The first one, various forms means it depends on the data. The first form is slope intercept form or slope point form. The first one, slope point form. That means they will give you one slope and the point. For this line equation, I will give you the slope and as well as passing through the point x1, y1. At that time, how to find out the equation of this? Now please observe. Take one arbitrary point. Arbitrary point means any point on the line x, y. Now see children. Slope is when you know the 2 points, these 2 points I know, then whenever you know the 2 points, how will you find out the slope? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Now see, y2, you just take this as y2, y minus y1 by x minus x1. Both are same only, no? Now do the cross multiplication. If you do the cross multiplication, m into x minus x1 is equal to y minus y1. Write it in a standard format, that is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. This is the line equation. Means what? These are the passing through the points if you write the slope over here, if you solve this equation, you will get the equation of a line. Clear, children? Next. Second one. Second one is 2-point form. 2-point form means here itself the meaning is given. If they are giving 2 points, passing through 2 points, one is x1 comma y1, the second one is x2 comma y2. Here they did not give in the slope, but you just think that here I can easily find out slope is not given. Okay, so but I can find out the slope. M is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. I can easily find out because it is passing through 2 points. Fine, I can find out the slope and it is passing through 1 point. So, I know the slope, I know the passing through the point. So, what is the equation? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Now, write the value of the slope. Slope is what? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. X minus x1. Y minus y1. Do the cross multiplication. Y minus y1 into x2 minus x1 is equal to y2 minus y1 into x minus x1. Usually everybody will say this as a formula, but it is very difficult to remember. Please remember this, and here you just substitute the slope value. That will be easiest way to remember the format. Clear, children? Yes. Next one. Third one. Slope intercept form. That is, they will give you one slope and one intercept. What is the meaning of intercept? Intercept means the distance from the origin to the y-axis is called y-intercept. The distance from the origin to the x-axis is called x-intercept. The distance, okay. Suppose if I am taking the point like this, the line like this. Now, here from the origin to this distance is called y-intercept. So, what and all they have to provide to know the line equation? One is slope. So, take slope value as m and take one intercept, only one. So, let me take it as y-intercept as some distance, that is your wish. I am going to take c as the distance from the origin to the y-axis. Now, what will happen? See, this point will become, it is on the y-axis. So, x value is 0, y value is c. I can take like that, right? Yes. Now, it is so simple to understand. I know the passing through the point. It is the line is passing through 0 comma c and the slope is m. So, now it is reduced to the first format, that passing through the point and the slope. So, how we will write? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. But here passing through the point is what? 0 comma c is the passing through the point. So, substitute the value. So, this is x1, this is y1, right? Y minus c is equal to m into x minus 0. So, y minus c is equal to mx, y is equal to mx plus c. Here we have one more format, that is x-intercept. If I give only x-intercept, how to do? Suppose if the equation is like this, I know the slope. The slope is m and this intercept from where to where? from the origin to the x-axis. This is origin and this is already C I took. Let me take D. So, this point, this is called, D is called x-intercept. Only one intercept they have to keep. Both intercept is giving the next format, okay. So, how to write this point, children? This is on the x-axis. So, how to write this? This is D comma 0. Now, as it is, I know the passing through the point, I know the slope. If I know the passing through the point and the slope, it is reduced to the first format. It becomes y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Substitute. It is passing through D comma 0. Y minus 0 is equal to m into x minus d. So, y is equal to m into x minus d. If they are giving x-intercept, this is the equation. If they are giving y-intercept, y is equal to mx plus c is the equation. Fine. Next format is intercept form. So, that is intercept form. Here, I will give you both the intercepts. Both the intercept means I will give you like this. This is y-axis, this is x-axis, this is the line. I have to find out this equation. Okay. Now, let me give the x-intercept. X-intercept means here to here the distance is a units. And y-intercept is here to here the distance is b units. So, I gave you the intercept. Now, I can easily write that the passing through the point. Here the passing through the point is a comma 0 because it is on the x-axis. This point is 0 comma b. Now, it is reduced to 2-point formula, passing through 2 points. It is easy, right? How will you write this? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Passing through the point you write, that is, I will take a, it is passing through a comma 0, or you can take passing through the point 0 comma b. In both the cases you will get the same answer. Okay. So, let me take it is passing through a comma 0, that is y minus 0 is equal to x minus a. How to find out the slope? Whenever we have 2 points, m is equal to, finding the slope formula is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. If you do like that, y2 minus y1, 0 minus b. So, otherwise b minus 0, however you want you can write b minus 0 by 0 minus a, that is minus b by a is the slope. So, that you write it, minus b by a is the slope. Now, just do the cross multiplication, you will get ay is equal to minus bx plus ab, bring it to one side, bx plus ay is equal to ab. Actually, this is only the answer, but it is very difficult to remember. So, what I will do? So, I will do that, I will divide with ab. I am going to divide the entire equation with ab. So, look at here what will happen, bx by ab plus ay by ab is equal to ab by ab. Clear, children? Now, bb will get cancelled, aa will get cancelled, ab will get cancelled. Now, the remaining equation is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Very simple to remember, because x divided by x intercept plus y divided by y intercept is equal to 1. For our convenience, we made this. Otherwise, this is also the correct answer. Clear, children? Yes. So, next one is very important format, that is normal form. Next one is normal form. Why we will call this as a normal form? So many times we told you, if it is a circle, which is touching is called tangent. Only at one place. The tangent perpendicular line is called perpendicular to the tangent is called normal. Understood? Okay. Normal form. What they will give in this format is, the first thing is the distance from the horizon to the line, perpendicular line. Distance from horizon to the perpendicular, otherwise I will write like this, the perpendicular distance from horizon to the line. So, next one, what they will give? The angle with the x-axis, the perpendicular line making angle with x-axis. Look at here children, what they gave? They gave this is x-axis, this is y-axis. Listen, what I said, this is origin, perpendicular distance, this is the perpendicular distance, right? They will give you this distance and they will give this angle only, like some theta. They will not give, then they are not going to provide any information about this line. What information they are providing? Everything, all the information about the perpendicular line. Perpendicular is called normal. So, everything. So, the distance, the perpendicular distance and the angle making with the x-axis. Whole information regarding the perpendicular line. Perpendicular is nothing but normal. Whenever they are giving, the equation of the line is. So, it is directly I am writing x cos theta plus y sin theta is equal to p. P is the perpendicular distance, theta is the angle. So, this is called normal form of a line. Understood, right? Why we will call this as normal form? Because all the information given by them is related to the normal, not about the line. Understood? Clear? Okay. Next. Let us do some questions, then we can understand the concept in a better manner. The equation of a line passing through, see, I want the equation of a line. This line is passing through -2, 3 and they are providing the slope also. Slope means -4. So, what information they gave? They gave the passing through the point and the slope. So, it is point slope form. Okay. So, what will be the equation of this line is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Clear children? Now, substitute the point. So, this is x1. This is y1 passing through the point, right? Substitute over here. Y minus 3 is equal to slope -4 into x minus of -2, right? Now, y minus 3 is equal to multiply -4x minus into, this is minus into minus, plus again plus into minus, -8. Bring it to one side. 4x plus y minus 3 minus 8 comes is equal to this side, it is plus 8 is equal to 0. 4x plus 5 is equal to 0. So, which option is correct? Option B is correct. Clear children? Yes. So, how to find out the equation is, there are so many methods. There are 5 methods. What they are telling? 5 methods. It is based on the given data. How they gave the data, we have to pick that format. If they are giving point and the slope, it is point slope form. If they are giving 2 points, passing through 2 points, it is passing through 2 points method. Understood, right? Yes. Next. See here the interesting question. The perpendicular distance between the line and the origin, the perpendicular distance, by reading that itself, what you have to understand? Yes, it is a normal form of a line. This is x, this is y. What they gave, the perpendicular distance they are giving, here to here the distance is 5 units. So the distance we usually represent it as p. This is origin. Now one more thing, what they have to give, all the information about the normal only, and the angle made the perpendicular. They are talking about the perpendicular line with the x-axis is 30 degrees. At that time they want the equation. We know, right, what is this? Yes, it is normal form of a straight line. So the equation is, just a minute children, yes, x cos theta, what I said, x cos theta plus y sin theta is equal to p. Substitute in the given equation, x cos 30 degrees plus y sin 30 degrees is equal to 5. Any doubts? So just I substituted, nothing I did. Now we know the cos 30 degrees. What is cos 30 degrees? Yes, root 3 by 2. X into root 3 by 2 plus y into sin 30 degrees is 1 by 2 is equal to 5. Take the LCM, root 3x plus y, cross multiply 2's are 10. So which option is correct? Here also option B is correct. So which form is this? This is normal form of a straight line. Clear, right? Yes. Next one. Yes, previous class contest question. So theta, see what I said. When we are measuring with the positive y axis, then the slope is. So while you are measuring, it is 135 degrees. Now I would like to find out the slope value. So inclination means I have to measure with the positive x-axis. Positive x-axis. So the total means this total will give you, so total, right, in that the total format, it's a line, right? So 180 degrees. So 180 degrees, 180 minus 135, it is 45 degrees. Tan, this will be 45 degrees. While measuring with 135 degrees, then the slope they are asking. So tan theta I have to find out, right? So it is tan 45. Tan 45 is C. Okay, option C is correct, and the winner is Devi Priya. Congratulations, Devi Priya. Soon after this class, you will get one autumn session free. Now, next one. Please get ready for today's contest question. Very simple question I gave. Here goes your question. I am not getting the chat. Countdown starts now. 3, 2, 1. Come back to the class. See, The vertices of a triangle are, there is a triangle P of 2, 1 and then Q of minus 2, 3, R of 4, 5. Like this, I am having the vertices. Then the equation of median through the vertex R. Through the vertex R, if you are drawing the median, median means what? The midpoint. We know this, right? So, how to find out the midpoint? Now, I would like to find out this line equation. This point is the midpoint of these 2 points. How to find out the midpoint, children? X1 plus X2 by 2, comma Y1 plus Y2 by 2. So, X1 plus X2, 2 plus minus 2, that is 0, and 1 plus 3, that is 4 by 2 is 2. So, this point is 0, 2. Now, I would like to find out this equation. What that equation is doing? That equation is passing through R. R means what? 4, 5 and one more point. You name it as some A of 0, 2. I would like to find out the equation. So, what that equation is doing? Passing through 2 points. So, it is easy to find out the slope. How will you find out the slope here? Without slope, I cannot write the equation. Slope is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. y2, 2 minus 5. 2 minus 5 divided by 0 minus 4. That is minus 3 divided by minus 4, that is equal to 3 by 4. Now, children, it is passing through 4, 5 and I know the slope. Slope point form. How to write that? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Y minus 5 is equal to m. So, how much slope I got? That is 3 by 4 into x minus 4. Clear, children? Or you can write like this also, y minus 2 into r, because that is passing through 0, 2 also, x minus 0. If you solve this and this, you will get the same equation. Don't worry. So, if you multiply 4y minus 8 is equal to 3x. Bring it to one side. 3x minus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0. This is your equation of a line. I hope you understood. If you have any doubts, please let me know. I will clarify your doubts. Next. The equation of a line passing through minus 3, 5 and perpendicular to the line passing through the points this. See what they are telling. The equation of a line I want. That line is passing through minus 3, 5. Okay. And perpendicular line. There is a perpendicular line. This line is passing through 2, 5 and minus 3, 6. Now, I would like to find out the equation of this L1. You take this as some L2. What I said? I know passing through the point, one information I know. So, minimum information, what else I want? I want the slope. How to find out the slope? Very simple here. Look at here, children. Easily I can find out the slope of this line M2. L2 slope I can find out. How? Y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Y2 minus y1. 6 minus 5 by minus 3 minus 2. That is 1 divided by minus 5. Yesterday itself I told you, if two lines are perpendicular, if for the first line if it is M1, slope. For the second line, if M2 slope, what is the condition for perpendicular? M1 into M2, its product must be equal to -1. If I would like to know the first line slope, that is M1 minus 1 by M2. Here that's what I want. I want slope of first line I want. So what I'll do, M1. I know these two lines are perpendicular. They gave the information to us. So minus 1 by M2. Minus 1 by minus 1 by 5. So minus minus will get cancelled. If you have a fraction in the denominator, that will get reciprocal, 5. So 5 is the slope of the first line. Now clearly I know this line is passing through minus 3 comma 5, and I know the slope also, that is 5. How to find out the equation? Very simple. The equation is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Please substitute those values, that is y minus 5, y1 no, m is 5, x minus, already minus 3 is there, minus into minus I will get plus 3, multiply 5x plus 15, y minus 5, bring it to one side, 5x minus y plus 20 is equal to 0. So which option is correct? Option D is correct. Clear children? Yes. Next one. The equation of a line that cuts off equal intercepts on the coordinate axis and passes through the point 2 comma 3. What you understood? I understood that there is a line coordinate axis, that is the reason why I am writing. It cuts equal intercepts. Intercept means what? The distance. Horizon to the x-axis. Whatever distance you are taking, same distance. Horizon to the y-axis also same distance, because they only said that equal intercepts. Now one more information also they gave. This is passing through 2 comma 3. Now I would like to find out the equation of this line. Clear children? Yes. Now I told you already, if you know the intercepts, how to find out the how to write the equation, that is x divided by x intercept plus y divided by y intercept is equal to 1. But here they are telling that both are equal, right? So this is the standard form now. But that line equation is passing through 2 comma 3. Passing through 2 comma 3. So if any line is passing through the point, that has to satisfy. Satisfy means in place of x you write 2. 2 by a plus 3 by a must be equal to 1. Find out the LCM, that is 2a plus 3, or directly I will write. Like this means you will get confused. Yes, find out the LCM is a. 2 plus 3 is equal to 1. Now do the cross multiplication. A value is 5. Now I can write the equation, right? What is my equation? X by a plus y by a, because of equal intercept. Now I know the value of a. Now you replace the a value. X by 5 plus y by 5 is equal to 1, or x plus y is equal to 5 is your equation. Clear children? Any doubts? Yes, very interesting question. We already discussed yesterday this kind of question. R is a point, divides the line segment between the axis. Between the axis. Axis means what? Coordinate axis. Don't forget that. In the ratio of 1:2. Okay. Then the equation of the line is, so it is referring to coordinate axis. This is y axis, x axis, origin. There is a point arc of h comma k. What it is doing? It is dividing the x axis in the ratio of 1 and it is dividing the y axis in the ratio of 2. Clear? Yes, but usually if they are telling or not also, there will be some distance from origin to the x axis, there will be some distance. That distance, let me take it as A. Here let me take this as B. Why? Because I need the point to find out h comma k. Now see here. This point becomes on the x axis a comma 0. This point becomes on the y axis 0 comma b. Now see, the question became like this. There is a point a comma 0, one more point is 0 comma b and dividing the point h comma k. At what ratio it is dividing? It is dividing in the ratio of 1:2. So what is the formula? mx2 plus nx1. We know that, right? The point mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n. my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. You just apply that formula for this. So take this as x1 comma y1, take this as x2 comma y2. So this becomes m, this becomes n. That point is equal to, all the time it is referring to find that point, that is the formula. But here they gave the point already. What is that point? h comma k, they already given. So I can write this as h comma k is equal to mx2, that is 1 into 0 plus 2 into a by 1 plus 2, 1 into b plus 2 into 0 divided by 1 plus 2. If you are solving this, abscissa is equal to abscissa, ordinate is equal to ordinate. If you equate, you will get the h value as 2a by 3 and you will get the k value as b by 3. Actually, I know the equation. Whenever the intercepts are given, I can easily say the equation is in the form of x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Actually, I want the value of a, I want the value of b. So find out the a value. If you do the cross multiplication, my a value will be 3h by 2. My b value will be 3k. Now you just replace, substitute in the given equation. X by 3h by 2 plus y by 3k is equal to 1. If you simplify this, you will get 2kx plus hy is equal to 3hk. So which option is correct? 2kx plus hy. So option A is correct. Understood? Any doubts? Yes. Next one. The 3 points are what? I don't know. It can make an isosceles triangle. Isosceles means what? Two sides are equal. These two sides. So what, for that what we have to do? We have to find out the distance. A I know. What is your a value? Some 3 comma 0. B value is minus 2 comma minus 2. C value is 8 comma 2. I want the distance A to C. Magnitude. How will you find out the? If you know the 2 points like x1 comma y1, x2 comma y2, how will you find out the distance is square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. You apply that formula and find out this distance and this distance and this distance. If all the 3 are equal, equilateral, only two are equal, isosceles. Nothing is equal, scalene triangle. And find out hypotenuse square. Whenever they are telling right angle triangle, hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. If it follows that condition, then we will go for this. And what is collinear? Collinear means I told you already, if 3 points are on the collinear on the same line. What is the condition, children? A, B, C. The condition for this is slope of AB is equal, must be equal to slope of BC. So, we don't know which one is correct. So, let us start from option A. First find out the slope. A is what? 3, 0. B is what? -2, -2. C is 8, 2. Now, please find out the slope. Slope of AB, y2 minus y1, -2 minus 0 divided by -2 minus 3. Next, y2 minus y1, 2 minus of -2 divided by 8 minus x2 minus x1, 4 divided by s plus 2. Now see, -2 divided by -5. This is 4 divided by 10. Minus 2 2s are 2 5s are. Yes, it is equal. So, you can directly say that A, B, C are collinear. It is not forming a triangle. If it is not equal, then I will go for this formula, find out the distance and then I will pick the answer. Understood, right? Yes. Next question. The equation of a line passing through the point 2, 2 and cutting off the intercepts on the axis whose sum is 9. See, coordinate, cut off the coordinate axis means like this only. Origin, x-axis, y-axis. A and B. So, obviously, I can write the equation as x by A plus y by B is equal to 1. And one more information also they gave, this is passing through 2, 2. And one more information also they gave, what they are giving, whose sum is, the intercept sum is 9. That is, this is one information. The second information, the intercepts are A and B I took. So, A plus B is equal to 9. From this I can write B is equal to 9 minus A. So, what I said, what is the standard equation? This is my standard equation. Let me write both the conditions, equation 1 and equation 2. It becomes x by A plus y by 9 minus A is equal to 1. What I am telling, this is passing through 2, 2. So, it has to satisfy the given equation. Substitute the value 2 by A plus 2 by 9 minus A is equal to 1. Do the cross multiplication, you know how to find out the LCM, isn't it? You will get a quadratic equation over here. You will get the quadratic equation as A square minus 9A plus 18 is equal to 0. So, if you multiply, you should get 18. If you add, you should get 9. So, what is that? 3 and 6. So, your values of A is 6 and 6 or 3, both the condition. If A is 6, put A value as 6, then B value is 3. If you put A value as 3, B value becomes 6. So, B value is 3 or 6. Then how will you write the equation? Here I will get two sets of equations. One is x by 6. Whenever you have 6, your B value is 3. So, that is y by 3 is equal to 1. One more equation is what? X by 3 plus y by 6 is equal to 1. If you solve this equation, you will get x plus 2y is equal to 6. Here you will get 2x plus y is equal to 6. So both the equation satisfy, so both are correct, which is the incorrect option, that is C. Clear children? Yes. Next one. The perpendicular from the origin to the line meets it at the point minus 2 comma 9. Then the equation of the line. So see, perpendicular from the origin to the line, from the origin to the line, where it is meeting at minus 2 comma 9. What is this? It is a origin. Now I would like to find out this line equation. I know this line is passing through minus 2 comma 9. What I have to find out? I have to find out the slope. To find the slope, what clue they gave? These two lines are perpendicular. So first find out M1. M1, how to find out? This is x1 comma y1. This is x2 comma y2. And this is perpendicular. No, M2 will be minus 1 by M1. It is very easy to find out. If you apply, you will get the slope value as minus 9 by 2. So what is your slope? Your slope is 2 by 9, reciprocal, right? So now I know the slope, I know the passing through the point. So how to write the equation? Y minus 9 is equal to 2 by 9 into x plus 2. So if you solve this, you will get the equation as 2x minus 9y plus 85 is equal to 0. So which option is correct? Option A is correct. Okay children? Yes. Today we learnt various forms of a straight line. So that means when the data, based on the data, we have 5 types of equations that we learnt, and we did some problems also on it. Okay. Now, thanks for joining with us in the CPP. I discussed the different questions also. Please don't forget to solve those questions. Passport users, right away you can start solving the questions. All the best to you. Bye bye.